we're gonna talk about Juniper. What better way to do that than by teaming up with Oregon Spirits?
Gin is based around juniper. What did we do, right? We soaked it in high proof alcohol, and then boiled it off. And whenever you do that, you capture those sort of volatile flavors.
Okay.
And so a lot of those aromatics that are they're soluble in alcohol, they're extracted into that alcohol solution, much like steeping tea. When you pour hot water over tea leaves, and sort of, take some time, but slowly those compounds will seep out into the water.
Right.
Then you have your tea. Same kind of thing happens with those juniper compounds in the alcohol. You let them soak for 24 to 48 hours, and then just add a little bit of water to bring it down to, say 40% drinking strength.
So our gut doesn't explode.
Exactly. That would be an infused gin.
Okay.
So then what we do, we'll take it a next step and we make a distilled gin. And then we'll pump it into the still, and then we'll start to heat it up. And the alcohol vapors will, since they boil at a lower temperature than water, they will travel up through the column of the still and then condense in the condenser. And with them, when, it's not just alcohol that's leaving the solution, it's alcohol with some of these oils and flavors from the botanicals that you use.
I'd like to see a dragon fruit gin.
Oh my gosh.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
Yes.
You're just like, dragon gin.
Yeah, that's a
That would be fun, right?
good idea.
Thank you. You can have that. I mean, I don't have any of this equipment, so.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah. Just as long as I get a bottle.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Cheers.
Cheers.